Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Bitcoin on MEXC application. First of all, open your MEXC app and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you're inside the home page of MEXC, make sure that you have completed the KYC verification process to unlock all services. Also deposit funds to your MEXC account using a method of your choice. That can be debit card, credit card, bank transfer, etc. After you've made sure that you've verified your identity and deposited funds onto your account, go to the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen. Inside the Markets tab, you can go ahead and find a trading pair you want to buy. Go ahead and select any trading pairs, or you can also add your favorite trading pairs on the list first and then select them. In order to buy Bitcoin, simply go ahead and choose BTC/USDT trading pair. Once you get to this page, go ahead and tap on the buy button at the bottom left. Now you can go ahead and enter the amount you want to purchase. Make sure you are inside the buy tab and then go ahead and enter the quantity of BTC you are trying to receive. It will then specify the amount you will need to spend as well. Finally, click on the Buy BTC button and follow through the prompts. You will then need to select a payment method such as a bank transfer, credit or debit card, or cryptocurrency deposit on the next page. Complete the deposit process by following through the instructions, and you will then be able to buy Bitcoin on MEXC. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.